What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We got us a candle lighter. Yeah, I know. It's a lighter for a candle. It's multi-purpose. You know what's cool about this? And I know they probably have been around a long time, but this is an electric lighter. It's the model JL872. All right, picked it up on Amazon. It was one of the most bought out of all these. You could use this for, obviously, candles, barbecues, camping, and if you got a stove that needs a little bit of a light. So what this does, believe it or not, this is a rechargeable. Let's see if we can get this thing open. It's a rechargeable lighter. It's a 2-pack. I think I paid only like 14 bucks for both. And what it is I got two colors. I got this like a gray pewter type deal, and then this almost like a rose gold. Comes with a couple of chargers. Comes with a little bit of, what is this? Comes with the user manual. All right, you want to check that out. But what I saw watching the video, you basically have the end here. Let's see. Take this off. On the end here, and it's flexible so you can get into a candle. You're supposed to be able to push, turn this thing on. You get the lights there. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 blue lights, and there's a button you would push here. And when you push it, let's look at the end of this thing. Look at that thing. Let me get a little bit closer so you can see it. It's like a little bit of, it's a little flame. It's like a laser. All right, so let's go grab a candle and let's see if this thing works. Give me 1 second. I gotta find myself a candle. All right, so I'm back. It's the only one I got. All right, don't make fun of me. It's vanilla bean or something like that. I have no clue. I think I got it at Home Goods or something. All right, so we got the wick down there. So let's try this thing. I'm gonna try to zoom in so you guys can see how this thing works. We're gonna zoom in on that little wick there, the little wick action cuss. All right, hold on a minute. We're gonna get the lighter here. All right, so I guess you wanna just put it, let's stick this thing straight up so you guys can see it. You're supposed to put this little beam next to it, push the button by the wick. Look at that. Oh shit, that thing lit quick. Let's try this one. You guys ready? Hold the button. Wait, hold the button. Let's do it on this angle. Right, you put it right near the wick. Hold the button. Boom, and it lights it. Look at that. Yeah, that thing is freaking cool, bro. Hang on a minute. So they say you could use this for camping. I guarantee you, if you get like, my fingers are black from the wick. You know how you have them little chunky pieces? I took the chunks off first before we did the video. But if you look, I bet if I got some drier lint, you know, because it's very flammable, and you put some on this for a fire, like a campfire, it would light right up. Or some some dry straw or some dry hay or something. But dude, that's cool, man. You never have to put fluid in this thing. And it's just battery operated. You charge it up. You got the little plug there for you to charge it. You got the lights. You'd have to turn it on first. You get your lights, and then when you're finished, turn it off. What's nice about this is you don't have to worry about leaving this around for the kids. You know, God forbid a kid gets the matches or a lighter. So many fires are started today with children playing with matches or lighters, or, you know, the old school, the ones you click. This one here, keep it off. You push the button, it does nothing. And you keep it, you know, keep it in a drawer somewhere. But yeah, this is very handy. It's a candle lighter. All right, if you're looking for the one I just purchased, it's pretty nice. All right, that's the brand right there. It comes in a double pack. If you guys want it, let me see, I'll get this closer. You can see what the hell this says here. Kind of zoom in on that. All right, you get the point. But pretty cool. This thing lit up pretty well. Highly recommend it. Go out there for 14 bucks or so and get yourself a 2-pack. I'm gonna keep this one and I'll give that rose gold one to a family member. But yeah, it's got an angle here, so you can kind of get in there, you know, if you can't reach the candle. But pretty cool. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. We got some good videos coming up. I got a lot of product in the office here. We're gonna clean this desk off. We're gonna make it nice and neat and clean so you're not seeing all the junk in the background. And we're gonna start reviewing a bunch of stuff. I probably got 15 or 20 items I gotta go through very soon. So stay tuned, hit that bell for further notifications when the next video comes out. Boom, you're gonna get a notification. When you're not doing anything, you're bored, a nice little video is gonna come out of some cool stuff. We are bringing back Workshop Wednesdays. So if people are familiar with Workshop Wednesdays on this channel, the products we're gonna review, we're gonna actually give away every Wednesday. The only thing is we have at least 50 people watching. So if we can hit 50 people, and I don't think it should be a problem with the subscribers, every item that we review, that item will be given away in some type of a raffle that day. So leave the comment below. Let me know if you think that's a good idea, Workshop Wednesdays. If I get enough comments coming back, positive ones, I'll definitely start it up sooner than later. We'll catch you on the next one, bro. Yo, Sonny, where are you, kid? Are you here, son? Where's Sonny? Yo, Sonny!